quite the mountain that towers high above our town, heights a maze of secrets deep underground.
In the deep dark tunnels where the blackest coal sits, workers toil day and night in the darkest of pits.
The ironworkers have so many stories to tell of their lives by the furnace and the town where they dwell.
Where the clock tower stands, proud and tall, and the people gather round the workman's hall.
And the breathtaking sight of hills covered in snow, and the lakes in the quarries where the children would go.
There is history and heritage in the place we call home. The stories follow us wherever we roam.